Are you serious about building your financial future? Let me tell you a secret. It's not just about making the right moves, it's also about avoiding the wrong ones. Hi, I'm CEO Prajakta Patel, and today in this video, I'll be talking about 5 financial mistakes that could seriously ruin your financial life. Stick to the end of this video and make sure you avoid these mistakes. Number 1. Investing without having a clear goal. We plan pretty much everything in life, right from our higher studies, our vacations, our wedding, and even our weekend dinner. But what happens when it comes to our finances? We go on investing without having a clear purpose in our mind. It's just like starting a journey without knowing the destination. How can you choose the right investment if you do not know what you're investing for? Let me give you a simple example. If you have today rupees 10 lakhs and you plan to buy a house after 1 year using those 10 lakhs, then the right scheme of investment for you would be low risk debt fund. But if the same money is for your daughter's higher education, which is 15 years from now, then you might consider going for equity, which would give you a higher return. So always ask yourself, what do I want my money to do for me? That should be the first step of investing. Number 2. Buying insurance for tax savings or investment. This is super common. People buy insurance policies that mix insurance with investment. They think it's a smarter way to get the money back later or to save the taxes. But let me tell you the truth. These policies often offer lower return, comes with higher charges, and lock your fund for several years. Instead, go for a simple term plan which offers higher life cover and comes with lower premium. Keep your investments and your insurance separate. It's cleaner, cheaper, and definitely smarter. Number 3. Avoiding writing a will. Many of us think that I'm too young to do that, or maybe I'll do it later. But let me tell you one harsh truth. Death does not ask for your age. If today something happens to you and you do not have your will, then your family might end up stuck into legal hassles for the property that is meant for them. Writing a will means making sure that you pass your property on to your loved ones after you in the manner that you want. You have worked hard to build your wealth. It's your legacy. Make sure you pass it on as a blessing and not as a burden. Number 4. Spending more than you earn. Sounds obvious, right? In today's world of easy EMIs, credit cards, and social pressure, it's a trap that many of us fall into. We end up chasing lifestyle instead of goals. Here's what you can do. Make a budget, make sure you stick to the budget, track your expenses, and invest before you spend. Prioritize things like your retirement, your child's education, your child's marriage, over the latest iPhone or maybe vacation. Your future self would definitely thank you. Number 5. Trying to time the market. This is the fastest way to lose the money. Some people think that they can predict when the market would go up or come down and invest accordingly. Let me tell you, no one gets it right all the time, not even the experts. Instead of chasing the highs and lows of the market, focus on the long-term strategy. Stick to your asset allocation and invest consistently. Discipline never disappoints. So to wrap it up, avoid these mistakes and you're already ahead of many of them when it comes to your money. Because when it comes to finance, what you don't do is as important as what you do. For more such insightful videos, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and follow us for more such videos.